Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. A QDIP board, also known as a Huddle board, focuses in on measuring quality, delivery, inventory, and productivity for typically a manufacturing organization. And the way it works is you want to quantify and understand the measures of quality, delivery, your inventory, and productivity. And once you do that, you can define, usually per day, how you're doing. And so if you are measuring on a daily basis each of those dimensions, you can determine, is a day green, or did you not meet your goals or achieve your level of quality in that day? And that would be a red day. So the idea is that you can track every day and over a period of time, months, quarters, and years, red and green days. Now, if you can use that as a dashboard, you can understand how your overall manufacturing process is performing, and then define actions to improve any of these dimensions. So the value of a QDIP board is to understand how you're doing, define actions to improve it, and then track your progress over time. You can do this manually using a whiteboard. You can use files, and more so over time, people are starting to adopt digital Huddle boards, which are really dashboards for the manufacturing line. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.